Alright, so this is Mapping in Compass by Darren Anderson Jr., which is me. The link to the video will be on that one, but that's not relatable to you guys. So the goal for this class is the students will be able to understand mapping and compassing and how to find their way using these tools to wherever they're headed, a city, a game, scavenger hunt, however it works. Safety and rules: beware of all surroundings and listen to all instructions. Use the tools properly. Using a compass. So I don't have a compass. I'm going to pretend like this is using John's phone as a compass. So the compass has a base plate, which is the clear plate. The direction of the arrow points which way it's going. So it's saying it's going 234 southwest. The compass housing is the clear plastic circle that houses near the needle. The degree dials, the twistable dial. The magnetic needles are the needles spinning within the compass that point. The orienteering arrows, the non-magnetic arrow, and the orienteering lines are the lines within the compass. And one of the mnemonics I made, or I didn't make, but I learned, is never eat soggy waffles. So you can tell for the compass, not for compass, but just like mapping and compass. North, never. I'm gonna point it for you guys. Eat soggy waffles, so you can remember that. That's like north, south, east, west. Makes it easy. Holding the compass, you're supposed to place the compass on the palm of your hand and the front of your chest. Stand up straight and it'll point which way you're headed exactly. You'll figure out which direction at what degree. So when I do that, it's at 232 to 234. It's moving a little bit. South degrees southwest. And now for reading a map, it shows you where you are located, and then you can use that to see how far you are depending on the map's diameters. Helps you pinpoint destinations. You can circle where you're going and then figure out how to get there, and then you look at they have like the picture of the compass on the side, which is northeast, south, or west, how to get there. So for example, Arizona is like southwest, California's west, New York's east, Canada's north. So for if I were in the class right now, I would give the students a handout explaining this, and then I would have them create their own game for people to do. So if they were to take 10 steps north, 3 steps east, 5 steps south. You thought that was funny, John? 3 steps more north, and then 4 steps west. It'd be like, where do you end up? So that's just how it would work for that game. For a compass, you would have to hold it, and I would have them hold it in their chest, and they'd have to tell me how to get to the field, or we'd go outside, how to get to the field or whatever. And then basically, like, here, go to John. Like, if I gave John the compass, John, hold it at your chest. If you were to walk 5 steps southeast, where would you be?
I would walk 5 steps southeast. I would be right over there.
Show it. All right, now you can go back to me. Thank you, John.
Yeah.
So that is for an example what I would do. It would have been fun to do it in class. Thank you for your presentation. If I had questions to answer, common questions are, why does north sometimes point down? And it's like, well, it's not pointing down. You just think that because of where you are. It's just the way it's just weird, the way you're standing, where you're at, what hemisphere, all that. So compass and mapping can be very helpful in many ways for camping if you're lost. It's good to know these things to make sure you're always safe. Thank you.